Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make my own design of a redstone clock. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a device made out of redstone and various other materials to repeat a redstone power, turning it on and off repeatedly, and it's going to be helpful in making some sort of piston device, as I'll show here. So as you can see here, it's going back and forth and back and forth. I've never seen this sort of design here before. I've made it myself, and if it is out there, then I just haven't seen it myself. So basically what we got here is a piston and redstone linking up with power here with a switch. So as you can see, what happens is it goes around through the repeaters and up to the piston, which pushes it out. Normally you would put a block on there, and as you can see, it's making it go back and forth. What's happening here, so if you watch right here where my crosshair is, it's actually turning the power off when the piston pushes out, which then turns the piston's power off, forcing it to retract, which then turns the power back on, which makes it go out. So it's kind of tricking it in a way by going back and forth. Now these repeaters are here for time customizations. So as you can see now, it's going fairly slow. If I switch them back, it'll go fast. And you can put as many of these as you want, as I'll show here. So I put 4, and as you can see, it's still going. However, the more repeaters you put, the slower it'll go on its fastest speed. So this one's fairly fast. You can actually put 1 if you want, and then you can see it's going very fast. So I prefer 2 though, because if it's going that fast, it's pretty well useless. So I like 2. Okay. Because it's fast, but it can also be slow. And so I'm going to go over here and show you how to make this. So I'll just get some lighting here. Okay, so you're going to want to start with any sort of block. Just place it anywhere. Put a redstone dust on top of it and beside it, like so. Dig down in a stairway fashion twice. So you want to go down 2 blocks, and then link that, and then go down in here. Get rid of that block and put either a torch, redstone torch, or a switch. I like to use switch because then you can turn it on and off. So we're going to leave that on, and then you can put a block above the switch and then in front of that block. Now what you want to do is build a stairway down to your switch so you can turn it on and off from here, and then grab another block, put it right on top of there, and put the piston in there. Now you want to put a block there in front of the piston, which will then be pushed and basically connects the dots. So connect these, put our repeaters in, and that's going to be in the way. And we now have our redstone clock. And you can feed it out here, and I don't know, I guess you can put a thing there, and then just going to turn that off for now. And you can go here, and then go around, put a delay in, and connect it again. Boom. So now what we want to do is slow this down. That's not going to work. think this should work here. Okay, so now what we can do is, say if you made a cobblestone generator, make it so that the cobblestone is created right in this block. So what happens is boom boom. Sorry, I should not be using, sorry about that, I should be using normal pistons and not sticky ones. There we go. And then you can make a cobblestone generator, and there you go. And it'll keep pushing it and generating it automatically. So that's one use for a redstone clock. There are many more, and that's pretty much my tutorial on how to make a redstone clock. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful.